Good day to you, my friends. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Folks, life can be tough. There are times when it feels somewhat unbearable, when it seems like everything's not going our way and we're just consumed by the things we just don't have. See, the problem is we are constantly bombarded with images of what we should possess and what we should aspire to and what we should accomplish. It's easy to get lost in this mindset of always wanting more and more and more and always chasing after what we just don't have. But what if we pause for a minute and shifted our perspective? Okay? What if we focused on what we do have rather than what we don't have? See, gratitude is a very powerful tool. When we take a step back and appreciate the blessings in our lives, we realize just how really fortunate we truly are. Once we acknowledge our blessings, we can build upon them. We can set our minds on achieving our dreams, using our strengths, and pursuing our passions with renewed energy and absolute purpose. All right? See, with a different perspective and mindset, we can accomplish incredible and amazing things. We can reach new heights, overcome obstacles, and create a life that we can be proud of. So, next time when life feels overwhelming, take a moment and a step back to appreciate what you really have. Focus on building upon that foundation and watch as your life transforms itself into ways you have never imagined. Remember that with the right perspective and mindset, you are capable of achieving greatness. You have the power to create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. So, are you ready to shift your perspective and build a life of fulfillment? Visit freedomlifebusiness.com today and discover how you can transform your mindset and create a life you love. You will find valuable tools, trainings, and support to help you unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create the life you've always wanted and take control of your destiny. Embrace a different perspective and mindset and unlock the possibilities of a brighter, more fulfilling future. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, with the right perspective and mindset, you are capable of achieving greatness. You have the power to create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.